Here's how to use AI to find what new features to build for your SaaS business. This method is going to help you prioritize features your users actually want and give you a competitive edge in the market. First, we need to gather data on our competitors. So go to g2.com and identify 3 to 5 of your top competitors in your software category. To do that, you can go to software here, go to your specific category. Let's take a look at our AI active learning tools. And you can look at 3 to 5 different competitors in here. For our case, let's look at Amazon Augmented AI. Next, you're going to want to head over to extractg2.com and download the free Chrome extension. It's going to bulk scrape reviews for each of these competitors. This is going to give you user feedback, which you can use to make data-driven decisions. So in our case, we would go to reviews, download the Chrome extension. That is this icon. Click the icon, and now we've exported the reviews. Once you have the review data, it's time to bring in AI. We can open up Claude AI. We're using Claude instead of Chatsubt because of the larger context window. That's perfect for analyzing lots of review data. Copy and paste the scraped reviews into Claude. So we're going to copy this, go to Claude. We're going to start up a prompt, analyze these reviews, and identify 1 common pain points users experience, 2 features they love the most, unexpected use cases, and language and terminology. Then paste the reviews, and I'll be right back with the results. Okay, Claude has generated the results. It now has a thorough analysis of the user reviews we pasted in. So some common pain points from the user reviews, the most loved features, some unexpected use cases, and frequently used language and terminology. Now, this is where it gets interesting. We can feed this analysis back into Claude to generate new feature requests. So what we do is we paste in this prompt. It's going to take the user insights it just generated and come up with 10 new features. So I'll come back with the results again. So we're back, and Claude has generated 10 feature ideas based on user reviews. So we can review some of these feature suggestions. You're probably going to find a mix of some features addressing the common pain points from before, enhancements to popular existing features, and maybe some new ideas based on unexpected use cases. So you're going to take these AI-generated feature ideas and apply your own expertise. Consider which ones best align with your product vision and the resources you have available. The final step is to ask Claude to generate user stories and time estimates for implementation for the top 5 feature ideas. So you can paste in this prompt. You're going to fill in the top 5 feature requests here. In our case, let's say guided setup wizard, learning hub, smart review allocation, compliance assistant. Now with this prompt, we're going to get some user stories, or we're going to get time estimates. I'll come back to review the results. Okay, so Claude has generated the estimates, it's generated the user stories. You can see some of them here. Now what you want to do is you can create a presentation summarizing these insights, the new features, and the estimates. You can even use AI to help design that presentation. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use AI to inform your product development decisions. The approach we took here combines real user data with AI analysis to make sure you're building features that your customers are going to love.